Search Google Translate on web and click on this link of Google Translate. It will redirect to Google Translate web version interface. So here you can see default color of Google Translate web version is white. If we want to change this color, there is no option of dark theme. So the question is, can we change this white theme into dark theme? And the answer is yes, we can change. Now follow the instruction given in the video. Open a new tab and search Chrome Web Store. Click on this first link. Now click on search bar and type dark theme or dark mode keyword. Here you can see many extensions are appearing now. I want to download this extension. Click on it. Here an option is appearing, add to Chrome. Click on it. Click on add extension. Installing process of extension is started. Here you can see messages appearing added to Chrome. Click on Google Translate tab and refresh it. So here you can see Google Translate white theme changed into black theme.